So in today's video, I'm quickly going to show you how you share your calendar with other people. Now, by default, you can do this with everyone in your organization. Externally, there needs to be some permissions changes so people can do more than see if you're busy or free. But anyway, let's get into it. First thing you want to do is go to office.com, sign in, then move the buttons around a bit here, but look for the waffle and then go into Outlook. Once you're in Outlook, go to your calendar, and then all you need to do then is right click on the three dots on the calendars, sharing and permissions, and then you can enter the name of a person or group in your organization and then give them the permission you want. You can edit, delegate, you can view when I'm busy, and obviously you can choose the permissions you want and press share. And you can also remove them here. You can also add groups. So if you've got a SharePoint group here, I think we just saw one, you can then add the group and give the group permission. So that's it. It's really straightforward. I recommend doing it online. You can do it within Outlook. It's exactly the same process, but I found that it works more reliably by going to office.com. I hope that makes sense. Any comments, thoughts, just let us know. Speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.